Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Just seen the video before this was the fire team going out bashing, and we're going to take the 6S Arrma Kraton out and do some bashing with it. Get all this stuff out of here. Yeah, Kraton was sitting there looking a little jealous, so we had to kind of bring it out with us. It's been a while. After I rebuilt it, looks like she's going to the right a little bit. Let's see. The first time running it since I did any work to it. There we go. Okay. Oh. And it's just got too much power. I think I might have put a bigger pinion in this one too when I rebuilt it, because I had to rebuild the rear end. I stripped out the gears, so we're gonna run it a couple times, and then probably pull it apart again and re-shim it. Just got so much. This one just, I don't know if the gearing's so different or what, but or so much lighter. Thing likes to dance. Let's go walk over here and see if we can hit these little piles of dirt and get this thing flying. This thing likes to fly a little better than the fire team on these little jumps. That backside's got that two-step bump. I need to move that one big rock out of the center before I hit it, but wow. Ah. Yeah. Man, that was a hard hit. Been a while, man. When you change cars, it takes you a little bit to get used to how they run, you know. It's been a while since I've driven this one. I wasn't the best at it in the first place, and then then you come out off the fire team, which needs all the power to get it to flip, and this thing doesn't need that much, you know. This one, yeah, this one's a beast right here, guys. And this guy's got the Spectrum. I think the Spectrum stock electronics in it.
Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day.